In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create the white place effect in another way. So, for example, just going to add the video and go to library and select the white screen. Add as an overlay, put on top, and change for the duration to make it shorter, and you can merge it, copy paste, and keep a distance, copy paste again, make a distance, copy paste until finish the video. You can see for the final result like this. Alright, that's how you can create the white place in another way. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.